Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Lenny's. Hopefully everybody's having an awesome day. Here we are, my son and I, doing schoolwork, huh Isa? We're doing schoolwork. We're doing schoolwork. He's still, just like everybody else, you know, virtual learning. And
Mama,
we're just here doing the work.
I'm eating banana. Banana.
Do you want to share what letter you're learning today? Or I mean this week?
B.
B for?
Balloon.
Balloon and what else?
Banana.
And
Ball.
It was a rough night. I didn't really get a good sleep.
A submarine.
A submarine?
With the B on it.
You mean boat?
It's a submarine.
Submarine doesn't start with a B.
Or the B. Submarine.
Submarine. Submarine. But yeah, we're just here on our break. But on his break, he has to finish work, huh, baby? So we log in back in a few. And I'm gonna see if I can go. I feel like exercising today. I feel like, you know, having a great workout. I haven't done that in a long time. I need to get back at it. I'm gaining a little pounds there. I'm gaining some pounds and I need to get rid of. I'm gonna see if we can go and maybe hike Ramsey Canyon or, you know, surrounding areas. We'll see. And we're gonna go ahead and take you guys along and show you guys a little bit of our day. So we did end up going for a hike, like I said earlier. We are on Miller Canyon. I'm not sure where we're going, but I guess we'll follow along. We follow the little trails to see where it takes us. A ver, let's go this way, Zen. I don't even know if you're supposed to walk here, but I think you can. I mean, there is little trails. Bye. A ver si no nos perdemos. Ven, Zen. So let me show you. Sí, estamos en el bosque, en el desierto, como le quieran llamar.
Watch out with the chuki.
Nomás fíjate dónde pisas, Go, keep walking. The mountains are way up
Mama,
there.
we went here.
Yeah, the mountains. Vente. Camina. Quédate aquí cerquita de mí, No nos queramos perder.
Yep.
A ver dónde nos lleva.
Whoa.
I think there is an upper level. If let's call it like that. Because the GPS said this is the lower level, like parking, and there's another one all the way to the top. So voy a hacer este primero a ver qué onda y let's see. Just watch what you step, okay, papi?
Okay. Mama.
Oh, there's a deer. Look. I don't know if you guys saw. No, I think I was moving too fast. There was a deer over there.
I'm seeing a deer.
Here, just stay close to me, yeah? There's deer. They're so cute. I wish I had a pet deer.
Mama,
I call it reindeers, but I know they're not called reindeers. I know. Deers.
Mama, you have to watch
But
where
they're
you're
so
going.
cute.
Mama, you have to watch
There's
where you're
horses. Yeah. Come on, keep walking.
going. Oh, look, there's a boy reading on it.
Yeah. Es una señora. Ay, ay, vente.
Mama,
Ay, este
let's
niño
go look for a
hace
stick.
pasar vergüenzas.
Let's go for a stick.
Dice que es una señora y digo un señor y
Which way
pues
should we go?
nada que ver. Vente.
Okay,
We're just gonna
never mind.
follow the trail. Dale. Ay, justo lo que necesitaba. Salir a caminar un ratito. And let the stress out. Porque es lo que necesitamos. Walk, walk, and walk, and exercise, and walk, and walk. Vente. ¿Dónde estás? ¿Qué cosa? Agarra uno más chiquito, papá.
Why?
Because I don't want you to hurt yourself. Agarra otro palo. Sí, pero oye, okay, you can make a line, and that's gonna tell us which way we came, okay? ¿Sale?
Okay.
Ay, güey. Aquí ya está más. Más. Bueno, está solo anyway. But. Quiero ver a otro venadito. Aquí hay muchos. A ver si no nos salen por ahí. Mira, acá ya está la calle. Los pajaritos. Y ya está una casa. Ay, qué bonito se escucha. Just listening, to nature. The birds. Mira. Look like probably water ran through here, but ya se secó ya. El río. And it hasn't been raining, so keep walking, keep walking. So no hay, mira. Qué bonitos los árboles fall. Ya al rato ya no va a haber nada de hojas. Keep going, papá. Ay, a mí me encanta hacer paseitos así. Because se distrae uno. And it's just good for the soul. For the nature. I just love it. It's what I needed. I seriously need peace. Está muy bonito. Dale, dale, síguele. Síguele. Más que no tiene que tener cuidado porque se han visto osos. And yeah, that's not pretty. That is not pretty. Por eso a veces me da como cosa, como nomás soy yo y el niño. I feel like I need to have, to be extra careful. Oh, I see a baby deer. Oh, I think it's too far and you can't see it. Darn. Ya se fue. Oh, estaba bien chiquitito. It was a baby deer. Come on. Look at las montañas. Mira el sol cómo se ve. That's a beautiful sun right there. Se ve bien bonito. Oh. Ay, güey. Ya me ando cayendo. Go, Aizen. I think this little road is taking us back to where we started. Which is okay. Imagínate cómo se ve el atardecer. Bien bonito. Anda, anda, anda. This little road is taking us back to where we started from, Aizen. The little road is taking us back to where we started. Well, at least I hope. Okay. Oh, those are the nights you're making. So we don't get lost. So we don't get lost. No, pues ya me cansé un poquito. Pero igual, ahí voy. After this, I still have to go to the store to go get another 2 extension cords que necesito to connect the Christmas lights outside. A ver si encuentro, because Dollar Tree didn't have any, but a ver. Voy a ir a buscar, voy a hacer eso. Y ya, irnos a la casa. So we end up turning back around because, yeah, he's tired. Entonces nos vamos a regresar. You tired, Chiqui? You tired?
Yeah.
Me da risa porque he has that stick. He's using it like a cane. Me da risa because he looks like a viejito. Está caminando como viejito mi Chiqui. ¿Ah? Está cansadito. No, pero sí aguanta, sí aguanta. Ahí la llevas, Chiqui, ahí la llevas.
Yeah. I guess, you know,
Yeah, but we could still go.
8,000.
We could have still gone all the way up more.
Yeah, I know the 59 is about the 9.
But no, we have to turn back around because...
Over here, and then we went back here.
Yeah, because si no me toca cargarlo. And yeah,
Yeah.
that's not gonna happen. Hmm?
50,000 what?
You're almost at the car. Come on, ya me lo llegas.
But sometimes it's boring. And my dad is so tired. It's getting boring.
It's getting boring. He said it's getting boring. Wow. No, it's not. It is not boring at all. I love it.
Well, you
No. Y si me caigo de boca?
just have to hop.
Oh, is that right? I wouldn't do that, Papa, because tú ya te volviste a caer.
See that? Not that hard.
Siempre le pasa. Every time like we go for walks and stuff like that. No hay un día that he doesn't fall. Seriously. So you're just seeing this. We're going back. Oh look, I'm hopping. Oh, me gustó esta área. Vente.
See me hop?
I did. Dale.
It was great. Then I step on a rock.
Yeah.
Cool.
We took a whole bunch of pictures in the little
We're almost
area
there.
with all those rocks.
I see the
I just think it's
mountain
beautiful because you can still
Well,
see
you see
the
this mountain?
see you can still see
It's
the
gonna corn and bitters in 15 hours.
the leaves, all
Look
the
at
yellow
this.
leaves and orange.
Look
That
at
is
this.
just beautiful. I love it.
And when you see this,
And I think I'm
Look.
about to take some more because
the mama.
Ay,
Look.
está hermoso from this angle.
Look.
Whoop! We made it. We made it back. We made it back. How you doing back there, Eisen? How you doing?
I'm just good.
He's just good. Oh, look at baby, the deer. I see another deer, but you probably won't see. I see a baby deer. Okay, let's do it quietly to see if... Nomás oyen ruido y se van. Déjame voy más rápido.
Tiptoed.
Yeah. He said tiptoes. Mira, está allá. Esa cositita que se ve ahí. Oh, he's so cute. Come closer. Come on, come closer. Está tan hermoso. Oh, ya se va. Shh, Eisen. Oh, ya se fue. Ya se fue. Ay, I think it's a deer family. Oh, ya se fueron. Ay, se espantan bien rápido. But yay. Ya estamos. How you feeling?
Good.
Vente. Tired?
Yeah.
Tired?
Mm-hmm.
Ay, chiqui. Te amo.
And hungry.
You hungry? Me too. I'm starving actually.
I think we
Probably-
didn't get something to eat.
I think you're right. We might go see what Mama cooks or buys. Them little dogs over there made us run. I was trying over here to try to take some pictures, and those rocks right there that where's my hold on. Let me put the window down. Right in those rocks right there, and then I seen something moving but couldn't tell what it was. Oh my god, I'm dying.
And they're freaking four little dogs right over there. And that scared us. We just started running to the car. Ay, ay, ay. It's nice to have you know, some pets, because you know, when you go for hikes like that, I don't know, I feel like they would protect you. But then at the same time, it's either the dogs get eaten or you get eaten. Shoot. But I feel that they should always be on leashed, no matter what, because not everybody's a fan of dogs. I mean, I like dogs and everything, but los prefiero mejor de lejitos. But it's so hilarious. Here, let me see if I can show you guys again. Oh my god. No creo que se vean bien. Pero esos perros nos sacaron un pedo.